Hi guys, this is Neha and today we are going to work on our spine, how to get the flexibility and how to get a strong spine. Before that, I want you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that next time any video I put, you will get the notification of it. Okay, to start with your spine, so we'll have like a very mild warm up. So sit in any comfortable posture, so preferably Sukhasana. Keep your shoulders straight, spine relaxed, head in center. Okay, keep your shoulders out, try not to round your shoulder, keep them like in a straight line. Okay, so be relaxed here, completely comfortable. Take a deep breathe in, breathe out. Try to get your breathe relaxed. Prepare yourself for the practice, which is very important, that you be in the present, be on your mat, not only physically but also mentally. So wherever your thoughts are running, just get them back and be prepared for the class. Here, take a deep inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale and exhale. Take your hand up straight. Inhale, exhale, try to take your hand back. When I say take your hand back, do not lean back, okay? Try not to change your posture. Just keep your hand just behind the spine. Left hand on the knee. Give a gentle twist. Inhale, exhale through the stomach. Same thing other side. Take your left hand up straight, slightly behind, right hand on the knee, give a twist. Turn your head to the back, relax your neck. Once again to the right. To the left. Come to center. Take your both the elbows forward, fold it and just drop your head down. Keep your spine relaxed. Observe your hip joints here, thighs. Inhale up. Exhale once again. Inhale up and relax. So remember, whenever you're working on your spine, so that it's not only your spine which is involved, it's also like hip joints majorly involved and your lower part of the body also. So you have to remember that your lower body also will have to have a bit of flexibility along with your spine. So you cannot work on one part of the body exclusively. Okay, so moving forward, come on your fours, knee as well as on your palm, back straight. So here you have a measurement, 1 arm distance between both the knee, 1 arm plus 1 palm. So try not to keep your hip back but in the straight center. So toe, either it can be like up if you have a better balance, if not you can keep it down. Whichever works like fine with you. And spine straight, shoulders blades out. So try not to round and try not to drop your neck down like this. Keep your neck up. So here, when you inhale, take your tailbone inside, spine inside, and exhale opposites. Now inhale, spine inside, look up, your shoulders will go out, neck up, exhale, round your shoulder, look down to the stomach. So your stomach is trying to touch the spine, take it inside completely, push the floor away from the floor, round your shoulder. Push your palm actively. Now inhale, open up your shoulders, spine inside, look up with inhalation completely, and exhale, take your stomach inside, round your shoulder, look down to the stomach, let your chin touch the chest. Once again inhale, deep and a nice inhale, exhale out completely. One more time, inhale and exhale. Hold here, feel your spine movement, adjust accordingly and just hold here, rounded shoulder, stomach inside, continuously breathing in and breathing out but as long as possible. Now inhale up, spine inside. You can clearly observe the stretch in your lower spine. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a moment here, observe your posture. Keep your eyes closed if possible. And get your spine in center. So after which already you can feel a very good stretch in your spine which I have gone through. So from here, without moving your palm or the knee, just lift your right leg up. Look forward, exhale down. So when you drop it down, to be careful. So sometimes what happens when you lift your leg up, you drop it down, which is not its place. Okay, so dropping down wherever you started from. And then left leg up, left leg down. With the breath, inhale up, exhale down. Here when you make a movement, try not to move your spine along with your posture. Okay, just move your leg up, your spine is stable, exhale down. This will make your spine a little comfortable after the complete stretch. So let's practice along with the hand. So inhale, right hand up and the left leg forward. Do not kick your leg up or down, try to keep it leg stable. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Sit back to a child posture. Drop your head down completely. Relax your chest in between both the knee. Extended arms. Sitting on the heels. Relax your spine. Now lift your hip up. Take your hands forward how much ever it can. Now try dropping your elbows down how much. Extend your spine straight. Relax your toe facing out. Feel the spine getting like lengthier. Now from here, lift your chest up. Get your knee together. Okay. Push your chest forward and lie down on the floor, dropping your stomach down, your hands next to the chest. See, without moving your palm so much, your hands are right next to the chest again. From here, slowly lift your chest up. Again here, if you think this is like too much of stretch for you, you can hold here also. So from here, either you can lift your chest up, little more and little more, whichever you find it comfortable. Tuck your toe inside and come to mountain. Again in mountain, see if your spine is allowing you to drop your heels down, it's okay. Otherwise, if you want to keep your heels up, that's also fine. But try to keep your hands next to the ears and spine straight. Again, coming to Bhujangasana on your toe, pushing your toe forward, drop your stomach down, look up. Inhale completely. While exhaling, tuck your toe again, lifting your stomach up, giving a stretch to the spine, come to mountain. Once again, inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale, come to child posture. Just relax here for a few breaths. Let your spine be relaxed here. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Just take few seconds and observe your spine, because we had like a complete stretch to the spine here. Slowly come to center, sitting in Vajrasana, getting your knee together, spine straight. So make sure that each practice should be followed by child posture, so that you give enough break to the spine. It is not that you completely trying to stretch your spine continuously. Give like enough space in between. Go to child posture, take a moment, take a deep breath in, breathe out, try to relax, and then again get back to another set of a stretch. So from here, keeping your spine straight, take your hands in on the knee, okay, forward. Now exhale, take your tummy inside. Exhale, open up your chest. Inhale inside. Exhale, open up your chest, spine inside. Inhale. Here you'll feel more of a stretch in the upper spine, upper back, in fact, not the lower one. The last one, inhale, exhale. From here, slowly drop your hands down and stand on your knee. Okay, stand on your knee. So now we are going to practice a bit of a twist to the spine, so that your waist, your spine will feel a nice twist, not a stretch but a lot of a twist kind of a thing. From here, take your right hand up straight, pushing your stomach forward, drop your hand on the heel. Here, if you are a beginner, then I would say keep your heels up. If you are used to this practice, then you can keep your toe down. So what will happen? You will find it easy on your spine when your heels are up, as you have like so much of distance added again. Okay, so you practice accordingly, however you are comfortable with. So now, as I'm like showing you for a beginner perspective, so I'll keep my heels up. So your hand is on the heel, pushing your stomach out, left hand up. Now your left hand will be completely bent towards your right side. Take your hand out from the front, giving a twist. So you're turning your stomach around, drop your left hand on the left heel and take your right hand back. Continuing the same again. Take your hip back so that you'll give the twist around. Exhale to the side again. If you're a beginner, you will really enjoy this twist, because it's going to be like kind of a mild but not like very high on your spine. Come to center. So once your spine is like a bit warm completely, now we're going to do Ustrasana, camel posture. So again, practice with one hand. You stay there how much ever you can. So try not to go both the hands at once, go one by one. So right hand up, pushing your stomach forward, right hand on the right heel, left hand back. Stay here for a few breaths, open up your chest, your spine is completely curved. Keep your both the shoulder lane in one line, hold. Slowly come to center, same thing on the other side, left hand up, drop it on the heel, right leg back. Come to center. From here, before going to child posture, take your right hand up, left hand on the stomach, bend your right hand next to the right knee and hold. Same thing on the other side. Now from here, go to child posture. Drop your hip down on the heels, extend your both the hands and drop your head down. Observe your spine. There are chances that you might feel a little bit of pain, not really a pain, just because of the stretch you might feel a little bit of discomfort, which is very mild. You can slightly ignore that. Now slowly come up. Moving forward, turn around. This is an important part of the practice. So you have worked on your spine like so much, and you will have to complete this, so that you have to relax your spine before you complete your practice. Keep your both the legs straight, shoulder relaxed, spine relaxed. Your entire spine is completely relaxed on the floor. Here, get your both the knee to the chest and hold it tight from your both the elbows. Round your shoulder here. Now do a rock and roll. So you have to like move your heels forward and you have to give a slightly roll to the spine. So how are we going to do that? Hold your knee from your both the hands. Inhale, exhale, push yourself forward. So let your spine be relaxed as you have like worked enough on it. Practice like at least 2 to 3 times the same. One more time. Now drop your right hand to the shoulder level and left hand to the shoulder level. Okay, now from your right hand, both the knee, okay, as the camera is facing this side, probably I'll do this side first. So from the left hand, try to push your both the knee to the left side and turn your head to the right. Keep your knee relaxed. Feel a very mild stretch in your spine, very mild twist. Continue to breathe. Now same thing, other side. Push your knee to the opposite direction. Relax your neck on the floor. Make sure your arm is not lifted. So your arm should be completely relaxed on the floor, and feel the stretch, twist in your spine. Breathe in and breathe out. Feel relaxed, calm. Drop your hand down. Get your knee to center. Press it towards the chest and release your both the legs on the floor and go to Shavasana. Keep your hands apart, legs apart. Now in Shavasana, as you worked on your spine, your entire focus should be on your spine now. Just observe what sensation do you feel in your spine. Try to observe, try to feel. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Stay here for a few minutes. If you have time after the practice, you can stay here for like about 2 to 3 minutes, or if you're in a hurry, so stay at least minimum 1 minute here, because you'll have to relax your spine. Okay, so otherwise you'll have the same kind of, if there are any tension in your spine, then you'll carry the same after this. So try to get it done here before you complete. Inhale deep and exhale. Once again, inhale deep and exhale. Slowly try to come out of the posture. Get your knee together. Turn towards your side and sit up. Alright, so before practicing this, I would say like do a few Surya Namaskaras, preferably 6 to 12 times, because that is considered as a proper warm-up. So before that, I would say like without warm-up, no practice. Spine is something which is very strong. Again, you have to put lot of effort. You try to force yourself, you fall injured. So be very careful when you practice. Take it very slow, step by step. Warm up, practice, and then relaxation, which is equally important. Okay, so keep practicing and stay healthy. Thank you.